Hi, today we are looking at InWin Mini ITX case. Just to give you an idea, I'm going to show you how big this is. So it's about 13" by 10.5" and 4". So it's very small, and this is the size that I like for a computer case. And to open the case, simply turn that around to the back and unscrew this. And then you can just slide it out. And it comes with a 300-watt power supply and a cooling fan, which is really nice to help with the airflow, prevent your computer from getting too hot. Of course, it comes with a power cable and all sort of cable here. And here's the base. A base in case you want to sit it vertical